Alright guys, so I'm actually currently like thinking of a riff right now since I was playing some other stuff because my guitar is in drop C, kind of. So yeah, I want to know guys, which one do you think sounds better? Which riff do you think sounds better? I have two riffs. Which one do you think sounds better? This is riff 1. Alright, so that's riff 1. This is riff 2. Those are the riffs. So comment down below and tell me which one you think sounds better, because I'm actually designing a little riff, and no, I'm not like an actual song. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I just want to see which riff sounds better, because I actually was thinking like designing my own riffs as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna make this little video, and yeah, see ya.